Cloud industry is growing like never before. With the advancements in technologies like AI, machine learning, edge computing, IoT, cloud industry is set for an explosive growth. If you are eager to start your career in cloud or make a transition to this field, now is the best time to do so. Hi everyone, I am Swati. I work as a cloud consultant with Google. I have over 8 years of experience in tech industry wearing the hat of cloud consultant and data engineer. In today's video, I am going to share a very practical and concise roadmap for you to become a cloud engineer in 2025. So stay tuned. Without any delay, let's dive in. So whether you are a student or a working professional, if you are new to this industry, you have to start with the basics. So first step would be understand what cloud computing is. Learn about the basics. You can follow all the resources online to understand what cloud computing is, what is the basic model behind cloud computing, why are organizations moving towards cloud. In fact, I have a video on my channel. You can watch this. I'll be sharing that in the description. Some of the basics concepts that you should be aware about, like what are the different cloud service models, like infra as service, platform as service, software as service, then networking concepts, virtualization, storage. These are some of the basic things you need to clarify while you start your journey to cloud. Now, you might not need to go deep dive into understanding all of these concepts, but you need to make yourself aware about these basic terms which you are going to use very often while you are learning about cloud. I would also recommend take AI to your advantage while you are learning about these concepts and starting your cloud journey, because using AI, it will make you understand these concepts very easily. So you can watch resources online. Many videos would be available on YouTube, and also take advantage of AI to get clarified about the basics of cloud computing. That would be your first step. Once you are aware with the basic concepts, next step is choosing your cloud provider. Now, a lot of people get confused here that which cloud provider should they pick, or do they need to learn about all the cloud providers? Now, the good thing over here is mostly the services offered by all the cloud providers are similar in functionality. So even if you learn about one particular cloud, you would be good to go to learn about other cloud providers later on. You can easily transition to other clouds. So you just need to master one cloud provider, what services they are offering, and learn about that. And later on, you can easily transition to other one as well. Now, some of the leading cloud providers in the market right now are AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. So you can choose from these top three cloud providers. Again, some of the factors you can consider to choose amongst these three as well would be you can analyze the market in which cloud provider or for which cloud you are seeing more job opportunities currently in the market. You can go ahead with that one. Or you can also analyze, like if you are a working professional, which cloud related projects you are seeing more often within your organization. Because if you pick that one, you can easily take up those projects, and it would be good for your learning as well. Like you can immediately start applying your learning once you have learned about that particular cloud. So you can consider some of these factors while choosing your cloud provider. Just don't get confused, master one and you would be good to go with the other cloud providers as well. Alright, now since you have chosen the cloud provider you want to go ahead with, I would say next start with the basic certification. Yes, right away start with the basic certification. All of the cloud providers provide different levels of certification. They also have the foundation level certification. So you can start with the foundation level certification of any of the cloud provider you are choosing. This will help you get acquainted with the cloud environment and the different services offered by that particular cloud provider. So that will give you confidence and give you a good awareness about the cloud environment and what are the different services they are offering. So I would say start with the foundation level certification. For example, for GCP, it is Associate Cloud Engineer certification and also the Digital Leader certification. For AWS, it is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Microsoft, it is Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. So you can choose from these foundation level certification, start preparing for it, give it a timeline, and just give this foundation level exam. In fact, I also started my cloud journey in GCP. My first certification was Associate Cloud Engineer. So just pick from any of these foundation level certifications. You will feel confident that at least you have gained the foundation level understanding, and now you would be good to go to next step. So our next step is choosing your focus area. Now, the cloud industry offers varied roles. Like it's not just the cloud engineer. You can pick a stream that more excites you. For example, you are more driven towards data and analysis or these kind of stuff. So you can pick the data related field, data engineer or data architect. So you can pick that as your specialization. If you're more driven towards networking and security, then there is specialization in networking and security as well. If you get more excited about AI ML field, then there are specialized role for AI ML engineers as well, then infra engineers. So there are different roles within the cloud industry. So next thing here is that you have to choose your focus area. In the foundation level certification, you would get a taste of all the services offered by that particular cloud, whether it is data related service, infra services, what are the basic AI ML related services, and then networking concepts as well. So there you will get the taste of all of these things. You can analyze from there that which particular stream is exciting you more. And if you're already a working professional and have some foundation in any of these fields, then it's easier for you to go ahead with which particular focus area. So once you have decided which focus area are you going to pick up, after the basic level certifications, then there are more specialized certifications in each of the category. Like in Google Cloud, there for a data engineer, there is professional data engineer certification, also professional database engineer certification. So that would be more focused around database related services and data related knowledge or like that. Similarly, other cloud providers also have such specialized certification in each of the focus area: machine learning, infra, networking engineer. So then you can choose from these specialized certification and gain more expertise in that particular field. So this will not only look good in your resume, but will also enhance your skills in that particular area, and you would be able to take up more projects and engagements in that particular field. So just choose your focus area and then attempt the specialized certifications. Now that you have gained so much knowledge from certification and different learning resources, now is the time to apply that knowledge through hands-on projects. Now, either you can get engaged in your organization's projects, or all of the cloud providers offer free tier or trial accounts, which you can leverage to create your free tier account and start using these cloud services which you have learnt about. So just get your hands dirty, create your projects in these trial accounts, play around with different services, see how they are functioning, learn about that, and start creating those hands-on projects. This will help you gain more confidence about your learning and give you good awareness that how a project should look like. So you will feel more confident once you do hands-on projects, mini projects, personal projects, or even projects within your organization. Apart from these free tier accounts, there are some courses and tutorials as well which offer labs where you can get a taste of hands-on engagements. Like for Google Cloud, there is this Cloud Skill Boost website where they offer various hands-on labs. You do not even need to create any project. All the environment would be set up for you. You will just directly get an experience of Google Cloud project and different functionality of different services. And there are many learning paths as well. So you can try out such tutorials over these websites as well. Another thing you can do to enhance your cloud related learning is join community events. Now, all of these cloud providers like AWS, GCP, Azure do many community events like meetups or webinars, and even many virtual events as well. Like for Google, there is Google DevFest. Then even for AWS, there is AWS Community Days, where you can meet with a lot of people in the same industry. How will this help? It can help you spot new opportunities in this particular field. It can also help you keep updated with latest trends in the industry. So you can meet a lot of people, network, and enhance your learning as well. So do join these communities and even connect with people on LinkedIn. It can definitely help you spot new opportunities. Well, last step, start applying for the jobs. And I won't say that you have to follow this whole sequence exactly till the day you start applying for the job. In fact, job seeking takes time. So start early on, start applying for that job early on. In fact, once your basic certification is done, your resume will automatically reflect about your cloud learning. So you can start applying for the jobs early on. Connect with people with a similar skill set online, like on LinkedIn. Keep seeking for the roles you are interested in. Apply on LinkedIn or any other job portal. Network with people, and just don't wait for the perfect day or when you feel that, oh, now I'm confident, now I'm going to apply for the job. Keep applying for the jobs early on. You might face a few rejections, but few rejections are okay to get that success later on. So just apply for that job and start your cloud journey today. Alright, well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video will help you get started with your cloud journey today. Do let me know which cloud provider are you picking for your learning, and please share it with someone who wants to transition or start their journey in cloud. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.